twisted.
Nice little start there.
Yes. Hello, Coaster fans. I'm Chris. Today we're here at Six Flags Over Georgia. I'm riding with Gene. We're handling the new ride, Twisted Cyclone. It's been converted from the original Georgia Cyclone, but it's made even twisted. They put a steel track on top of it, added a ton of new elements. Let's come and check it out.
You ready for this? You're ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Kind of stalling.
Oh!
Whoa, head chopper! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Woo! Big inversion.
Here we go.
Upside down. Woo! Overbaked. Woo!
Oh!
Air
Oh!
time. Woo! Upside.
Here comes your zero G
Here
roll.
comes the zero G.
Those air time.
Woo!
Oh! Oh!
Side, going up and down.
Whoa!
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 Wow! Amazing!
What do you think?
Amazing!
Favorite part?
Favorite part, definitely that zero G roll. You're just kind of twisted this way, twisted this way. The weather's perfect for the storm. I have to hand it to Six Flags Over Georgia. They hit it out of the park with this one.
Hey, we appreciate it. Thanks for coming down.
No problem. Thanks for having us. Woo!
I'll put my hands up now for you.
There you go.
Yeah, so it's amazing.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's just like you're turning this way, you're turning this way,
Yeah.
and it's just like when you're waiting for something else, you're going this way. Man.
The best part about it too is even like off the beginning, you're twisting. So
Oh, yeah.
So like
Oh,
when
yeah.
we were putting it together, I was like, man, this ride is really twisted. Like we're not
Definitely,
kidding you when we say it's
definitely.
twisted cycling. So
Definitely.
glad you enjoyed
Jane,
it.
thank you so much.
Yep, appreciate it. Thanks for coming down.